Good morning! It's day 2. It's like 6:30 in the morning, but time zones and also we're woke. Um, yeah, our bag should arrive today in the evening, but for now, let's. We did find a Tim Hortons nearby, so let's start with breakfast, and then I guess we could plan for the day. But yeah. Also, since the fiasco that was last year, I always carry an extra set of clothes in my carry-on because, yeah, we're flying with British Airways again, and we all know how that ended last year. And I guess that was a wise decision because it ended the same way this year. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go. Alright, first time Tim Hortons. Pretty okay, I guess. I'm not much of a coffee drinker, so French vanilla had to do. But it's basically breakfast fast food, I guess. Now on to find a train station around there. They have speakers beneath longboards now? The hell? Gesundheit. Gesundheit. Alright, we made it back into the hotel room. Today we bought 2 bikes and 2 spray cans of bear spray. And I bought a USB Type-C SD card reader so I can back up all the footage from this project here. The bikes we'll go and get tomorrow. We paid half today, half tomorrow when we'll get them. It's supposed to have a little, let's see, thunderstorm tomorrow, but I think we should be good. Our bags should arrive today in the evening, but we'll probably just head into bed for some hours and then check in and maybe head to the bar laterwards. But yeah, bikes tomorrow, and then we should be able to leave on Wednesday if everything goes according to plan. Alright, I accidentally fell asleep for too long and now it's a new day, but yeah, I forgot to end the vlog for for yesterday, so I'll see you today. Goodbye.